Hi ladies, more word problem examples. Let's suppose the beginning of a snowstorm, Benjamin had 8 inches of snow on his lawn. Sounds like an initial value to me, so he starts with 8 inches. I bet that's going to be our y-intercept. Then the snow began to fall at a constant rate. Rate means slope, so my slope's going to be 2.5 inches per hour. So imagine, it starts at 8 inches, and then it continues rising. So this is my snowfall, and this is the amount of time. Okay, assuming the snow doesn't melt, so it just keeps on packing on top of each other, how much snow would Benjamin have on his lawn 3 hours after the snow began to fall? Okay, well you could answer it by just adding 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, because it happens 2.5 inches per hour. So we could do that. Snow after 8 hours is 8 plus 3 times 2.5. 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. It's getting late. 15.5. So that's how much snow is on the ground after 3 hours. Now what about after t hours? So that means, I don't know, it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5. Just someone tells you t and you tell them how much snow there is. So if my snow was 8 plus 2.5 times 3 before, if I didn't have 3 hours, if I had 4 hours, then it would be 8 plus 2.5 times 4. Well, if I had t hours, it would be 2.5 times whatever t is. So the amount of snow would be 8 plus 2.5 times t. And there you go. Okay, let's just do one more just to seal it in. Violet just accepted a job at a new company. She's going to make an annual salary of $64,000. Good for Violet. Violet was told for each year she stays with the company, she will be given a salary raise of $3,500. How much would Violet make as a salary after 5 years? Okay. So you should think of her initial value as her base salary. So this is like her y-intercept. She can only go up from there. So she starts at 64,000, 64K. And every year she gets 3,500 more. And the next year she gets 3,500 more. So my rate is 3,500 because every year that gets added onto her base of 64,000. So how much would she make after 5 years? Well, she would start with her 64,000 plus 5 for every year she earns 3,500 more. So I'd multiply that by 5. So 64,000 plus 15,000, 17,500. Add that together and you get 81,500 after 5 years. I think that's right, but it might not be. After t years, well, we'll just replace this number 5, because that was arbitrary. If we make that a t, then I could put any amount of years, and I would get what her salary should be. 64,000 plus 3,500 t. Okay, I hope that's right. Do not include commas. Oh, interesting. Okay, I didn't know that. There we go. All right, good luck, ladies.